dreamOS 27 is a giant release for Neon Dream. It starts with a new design. From the redesigned lock screen to the new home screen, everything is crafted from frosted glass. The app drawer has been redesigned to just be a simple swipe gesture. Apps feature the concentric, rounded, and floating items. And everything looks great in light mode, dark mode, and the new ambient mode. And we used this as an opportunity to redesign many key apps. Apex features a new compact tab bar design. The camera app has been greatly simplified and immersive. And the music app really shows off the frosted glass design. We're also enhancing customization in a very fun new way. Now, you can theme your device based on its color. So if you have an Earth, Ember, Thunder, Aqua, or any color Neon Dream, you can tint icons and the interface based on its color, really blurring the lines between hardware and software, and making your device much more expressive and personal. Next, let's talk about phone calls, as we're adding call screening. This is designed to prevent unknown spam callers. When an unknown number tries to call you, they'll be asked for their name and reason for calling. We think this will mark the end for spam and robocalls. Next is a game-changing privacy feature called AI Tracking Transparency. This is designed to ask apps to not use your data to train AI models. If you launch an app that's known to do this, you'll be given the option if you do or do not want your data to be used to train AI models. This will be a game-changing feature for so many users. We're also adding a system-wide live bar, which shrinks down into a small capsule up top. Now let's talk about the changes coming to Neon Intelligence. First, the AI models themselves. Last year, we announced 5 AI partners being a part of Neon Intelligence. And today, we're adding on top of that with new on-device models. In addition to Llama and DeepSeek, we're adding Google's on-device Gemma models with Gemma 3 and Gemma 4, which range from 270 million to 4 billion parameters, and Qwen with Qwen 3 and Qwen 3.5 ranging from 600 million to 8 billion parameters. Combined with every other model a part of Neon Intelligence, this is the widest array of built-in models on any platform. But if there's a model that you want to use personally, you can import your own AI models right from settings. You can import your own on-device models that you downloaded from the web or API keys for cloud models. And we plan on adding more models in the future. And to get those new models, we're introducing Neon Intelligence OTA updates, where now Neon Intelligence updates are separate from the OS updates themselves. And now these updates can be installed on both dreamOS 27 and dreamOS 3. So even without updating to the latest OS, you can still receive the latest models, security updates, some feature updates, and integration with newer OS releases. Now, let's talk about some of those features coming to Neon Intelligence with dreamOS 27, starting with Maven. First, Maven is getting an all-new design with an expressive new face, and Maven has a new voice that uses new models.
Hi, I'm Maven, your virtual assistant. When you're ready, ask me anything.
Of course, Maven still supports the same advanced features we introduced last year, but now we're adding on top of these features. First, we're adding chatbot-like functionality, so you can interact with Maven just like a traditional chatbot, and it works with text and voice. Second is on-screen generation, where you can ask Maven to generate on-screen content like a new recipe, which also works with text and voice. And these features and new design are coming to our other platforms like RubyOS and TabOS. And we plan on introducing even more Neon Intelligence features and updates throughout the coming year. So that's dreamOS 27, a big release designed to make your Neon Dream more beautiful and personal than ever.